Okay, guys, get ready to learn everything about bees in under 3 minutes, and the clock starts right now. Alright, guys, so bees really are the tiny magicians of the world. They do so much that you're really not aware of, from pollinating plants to building up structures that you could never imagine. Let's jump into it and go over this magical world of bees, something that you see probably every day, especially when it's nice out, right? So bees are very structured. At the top of their structure, they have the queen bee. The queen bee is in charge of the hive. She lays thousands of eggs, and she really keeps everything going. And then the rest of the bees are separated by gender. They have the worker bees and the drones. The worker bees are the female bees that are not the queen. There's one female bee that's the queen. She's the one that lays the eggs. The rest of the female bees are worker bees. Now, these bees gather nectar and spread pollen. They protect the hive. They maintain the hive. And then the males, very interestingly, they don't really get up to a lot. They're the first to get kicked out when it turns to winter, and they don't have a lot of resources. They don't even protect the hive. They really exist just to reproduce, either with the queen bee or other queen bees. They venture out and meet other queen bees and build more hives, essentially. The other main importance of bees, and I think the most important part, is they act as a pollinator. When they gather nectar for their own food, they spread pollen, which fertilizes plants and produces millions and millions and millions of pounds of food a year. Even 1/3 of our food every year is produced in part by bees. They pollinate the flowers, which goes to fruit, etc. So think about that. 1/3 of our food is produced in part by bees. They really are miracle workers. They save millions and millions of lives. And just think about that next time you hear the buzzing, you get a little scared. It's a little bit of an annoyance. It's like, this creature really does save a lot of lives. They're very important to the ecosystem of the world. So now you know about bees. Let's be cool and subscribe. Don't forget, guys, plant flowers, avoid pesticides. Don't go out of your way to, go after bees. Remember how important they really are. Next time you hear, like I said before, you hear the buzzing, you get a little bit annoyed. Just think of what you learned today. Remember the amount of food that they help produce, how many lives they save. And yeah, don't forget, comment down below what you want the next video to be on or what you thought of this video, and smash that like button. And yeah, thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe.